everyone. Welcome back to MixTray English. Today, we have a funny and easy story for you. It's called Don't Slip on the Banana. Let's listen, read, and speak English together. Tom is hungry. He takes a banana from the kitchen. He peels the banana and eats it. Yummy, he says. But then he drops the banana peel on the floor. Oh, well, he says, I'll clean it later. Later that day, Tom is walking in the living room. He's holding a book and not looking down. Suddenly, he slips on the banana peel. Bam! He falls to the floor. Ouch! He shouts. Tom sits up and looks at the banana peel. Then the banana peel laughs and says, Hey, clean up your mess next time. Tom is surprised. Did you just talk? The banana peel says, Of course. I saved you from boredom. Tom laughs. That was funny and painful. Tom picks up the banana peel and throws it in the bin. Then he says, Let's dance instead. So Tom and the banana peel do a silly, happy dance. The end. Everyone laughs. Let's read some sentences together. I ate a banana. I dropped a peel. I slipped. Ouch. Clean up your mess. Great job. You listened, read, and spoke English today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MixTray English. See you in the next story time. Bye!